sugar. We are currently on Mortimer Road, and tend to come this way now because the other way, which I do like, over the reservoir, between that section and this section here, you tend to get horses and stuff. So rather than spook the horses when I'm on this anyway, I tend to come this way. You do get the odd horse up and down here, but it's not too bad, and you get plenty of warning. So hope you're well. It's been a while since I've been on the bike, as I always say now when I get on the bike, but the weather's been a bit choppy. It was really nice probably about a week ago for a couple of weeks, solid, and I did get out a few times but didn't take the cameras. So we're heading over to Herbert's Tea Rooms, and if you don't know where that is, it's at Tissington in Derbyshire. So really nice place to stop. We're not going to have any breakfast there because I don't really do. They do, like, I don't know, sausage putters and stuff, but we're going to go over to a place in Matlock that I've been to before, but you guys probably have not seen it, and it's a great place. It really is. And I tell you what, the prices that the neighbouring calves are charging now, just your calves, are pretty much in line with this one as well. And this is like, it's quite upmarket actually. It's a lovely place. Been there twice. I went there and met Rich on one day, and then the next time I went with the missus. Took the missus. I do tend to take the missus now to to some of these places that I go to. I always feel that, you know, it's nice to share that with her as well. It's just going to be a nice little riding day. Bit of banter and something to eat, and that's pretty much it in a nutshell. So I hope you enjoy it. So if you can remember my last video, I was well, I don't know if it was the last one or the one before, I can't remember now. I was moaning about the seats and the comfiness on this, and I've sorted that. I've got another seat. I've actually bought the Saddleman seat, which is it's not just a single seat, the solo seat. It's like a double seat with a passenger spot on it, or pillion spot on the back. Never going to use the pillion part of it, but the reason I like it is because it's got a little step on it. So when you're accelerating on this bike, it pushes me into the seat rather than wanting to throw me off the back of the bike. And it's so much better, so much comfier. We'll see what happens by the end of the day, because it was like riding a lump of concrete on the last one. So let's see what happens. So a couple more things I want to do to this bike. I want to get some little mini apes, just to lift the handlebars up a little bit. I feel like I'm sort of leaning forward, and my feet are forward. So just bring me up just a little bit like that. I think that'd be great. And need to probably get it in for a remap as well, because I've got the exhaust on and it pops like anything. So I need to see if that'll sort that out, which I think it will. Maybe try and get the suspension matched to my body weight as well. A few of you are members of this channel and have been for a long time, and I really appreciate the support. But what I've done is I've cancelled all the memberships, so you won't be paying any more. I've cancelled the memberships, and the reason I've done that is because I don't feel that I give you anything more than I give everybody else. Sometimes I drop the odd video up earlier, but other than that, there's not really a deal that I've been offering, so I've decided to cancel that. So I just want to say thank you so much for the support. I really do appreciate it. I'll tell you what, I am not mode water. on, Jay. Oh, I can't believe that. There he is. You right? I've just come through the flipping Ford, haven't I?
Oh, you joking. Look at that. It's a stunner, isn't it, that?
Yeah.
Right.
All right, mate. How you doing? Okay.
Good. Wow. Ooh, she's a beaut, mate.
Oh, mate, I tell you what. I just had that on and I put a fun road to get here.
Yeah.
And it just took me on 2 roads I've never been on before, and it's just like that.
Really?
All the way up.
No way.
But
Yeah.
I can't believe I just come through that Ford. Do you know, the thing is though, if I was on something like that, you just ride straight through it. I had my feet down going through it on that. Oh. You okay, pal? Oh, look at this lunatic. Oh, they don't like my exhaust, do they? Yeah, as long as they don't run in front of me, mate, I'm not too bothered. Oh, that's nasty. That's what you don't want them to do, look, run in front of the road. Yeah. It's making me hungry looking at these cows, though. Yeah.
Under your skin, don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why, guess all beauty must die. We try hard, but we all so reckless, so reckless. It took time to recognize we are all filled with pride. I'm a wreck when I'm not by your side. Yes, I know that I have to agree. There is no one as reckless as me. And now that you are in me, and there's no way without, cannot function with this power out. There were no reasons why, guess all beauty must die. We try hard, but we also.
In fact, I'm going to turn around, mate, park it on the road up there. Oh, nearly dropped it. It says no parking, but sorry. Did you nearly drop it as well?
'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide.